If you think that the slide plate is a bit too tight, maybe too tight, it's possible to adjust by the adjustment screws up here. To do so, you start with pulling out the handle so it can go free. Open up the stop screw so it's only in the aluminum. And then open up the next screw. This. And then we take this and we adjust a little bit, not much, not needed. Try this first. And then we tighten back. And then put the top screw back.